In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Watcher in ClickUp. Watchers are people who stay informed about a task without being assigned to it. They receive notifications about comments, status changes, and other updates, which is perfect for stakeholders, managers, or teammates who need visibility without taking ownership. Here's how to set that up clearly and quickly. First, open your ClickUp account and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the specific project that contains the task you want to monitor. Head to the area where your tasks are listed so you can easily find the one you want. If you're in a list style view, you'll see a small checkbox next to each task name. That's the control we'll use for selecting the task. Now, click the checkbox next to your task. As soon as you select it, a toolbar appears at the bottom of your screen. This toolbar provides bulk actions for whatever you've selected. It's designed to make common changes fast and consistent across your workflow. At the bottom, click More. This reveals additional options that aren't immediately visible in the main toolbar. You'll find several task-related actions here, and among them is what we need next. Select Watchers from that menu. This opens a panel where you can manage who is watching the selected task. You'll usually see a list of members and guests from your workspace, along with a search field to quickly find the right people. You can also include yourself as a watcher if you want to receive updates. Then click on the people you want to set as watcher. Each person you select will be added to the task's watcher list, and from that point on, they'll receive notifications according to their personal notification settings. This is helpful for keeping decision makers in the loop, aligning cross-functional teams, and ensuring no one misses important changes. A few quick tips as you do this. Adding watchers does not change the task's assignee or permissions. It simply controls who gets updates. Be intentional about who you include so you keep notifications meaningful. If someone no longer needs updates, you can return to the same place and deselect their name to remove them as a watcher. That's it. Open your ClickUp account, go to your project and locate the task. Click the checkbox, use the bottom toolbar to open More, select Watchers, and choose the people who should stay informed. With this simple approach, you'll keep communication clear, reduce back and forth, and ensure the right eyes are on the right tasks at the right time.